Hey, what's up, YouTube family? Today we're gonna do some oven smothered turkey wings in the oven. And I got 6 turkey wings that I cut them into wingdings. If you try this recipe, you're gonna love it. Let's jump into the ingredients now. First off, I'm gonna use some Tone's rosemary and garlic seasoning, about a tablespoonful. Now I'm going to add in a teaspoon of kosher salt. We're going to toss in some of this Cajun seasoning just to give it a little bit more flavor, about a teaspoon. I want you to let the ancestors guide you on how much black pepper to use, because you cannot go wrong with a lot of black pepper on these here turkey wings. Now let's add a half of tablespoon of garlic powder to this as well. Also add a half a tablespoon of onion powder. We want to enhance the flavors by adding a half a tablespoon of Nora's chicken flavoring. Now go ahead and add a half a tablespoon of parsley flakes. Now I want you to take some of that olive oil and drizzle it all over the turkey wings. Once you've done that, I want you to go ahead and massage the flavorings inside of this here meat. I want you to prepare yourself for something mouth-popping, because you're definitely gonna love this recipe. If you already done left and you done missed it, stay tuned, because we're about to do something else special to these here turkey wings so that we can get mad flavor out of what we cook. Now I want you to go ahead and set your oven at 425 degrees. Place your turkey wings inside the oven. Cook them until they become brown. I'm talking about golden brown. Let's go ahead and prepare our gravy. I want you to take 2 family-sized cans of Campbell's cream of chicken soup and add it to a nice sized bowl. This is definitely going to give our turkey wings a nice gravy, and trust and believe me, you're going to love these ingredients. Now I want you to take 1 packet of Lipton onion soup mix and add it to the bowl as well. Add a teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. Add black pepper until your ancestors say stop. Trust me, you can't go wrong with this. Add 1 teaspoon of Weber's roasted garlic and herb seasoning. This next ingredient is called kicking chicken finger licking, and I bought this from Ross Department Store. Add about 1 tablespoon of this if you could find it. Now I want you to add 1 tablespoon of dried parsley. Now let's go ahead and incorporate all the seasonings into this Campbell soup mix. I'm telling you right now, this is going to be one of the best baked oven turkey wings smothered. I'm talking about smothered in all type of goodness. It's going to be the best that you've ever tried. So stay tuned and don't go nowhere because we ain't done with this recipe yet. Oh my God. Now your turkey wings should look just like this coming out of the oven. When your turkey wings look like this, I want you to go ahead and pull them out. Once you pull these babies out, I want you to cut up one large onion. Cut it up in strips and then spread the onions around just as if you're seeing me do right now. The onions is going to impact the flavor to this here dish, y'all. I'm telling you right now. Once you've spread it out your onions, I want you to do me a favor, okay? Listen to what I'm about to tell you. Take that mixture that you just mixed up and spread that baby all over your turkey wings. And make sure you move your turkey wings around so that you can get it in all the crevices and creases of this here pan. We're almost at the finish line. All we got to do now is take some heavy duty aluminum foil, drape it right on top of these here turkey wings. I want you to place your turkey wings right back into the oven and let them cook for at least around about a good 40 to 45 minutes. After that, you can pull these babies out and you can serve them with whatever it is you want to serve them with. So I'm preparing this dinner for my daughter's birthday, and this is a dinner that she highly requested. So let me share with you what I have. I have some chicken gravy right here, y'all, to go on top of this here chicken and sausage dressing. And along with that, I got it paired up with some seasoned white rice. And I also have these babies that I just prepared and I showed you guys how to cook. These delicious looking smothered turkey wings. My God, you could just smell the aroma that's going on in this kitchen. You need to give this recipe a try. All of these side dishes I do have on my YouTube channel, and I'm going to add it to a playlist below. So if you want to try some of these side dishes that you see right now in this video, all you have to do is just click on the description or show more section and you will see it. Here I have some chicken thighs that I pulled the skin off of and some chicken legs, and these are baked stewed chicken, and this is phenomenal. It tastes so delicious, packed with flavor. And I also have this here, some buttered potatoes, buttered stewed potatoes. I'm gonna show you how I prepare this as well. Then I have some sausage and cabbage, smoked sausage and cabbage. Along with that, I have some butter beans with some corn mixed up. I'm talking about country-fried good eating, y'all. This is how we do. And then I have my wife's lasagna. The only thing that's missing on this is that pepperoni. And I'm telling you right now, y'all, this was some good food. Yes, Lord. I hope my daughter really enjoyed it. I hope all of us enjoyed this here. Trust and believe me, if you want these here recipes to the side dishes, just go to the show more section, and I'm leaving a link below for you guys. If you want to see that stewed chicken, the oven baked stewed chicken, click below and say show me the stewed chicken recipe. But I'm really hoping that you guys can give this here smothered baked turkey wing a try. And that dressing was good, y'all. I'm telling you.
What you want, son? Oh, I fit female plate.
Yeah, fish CJ play.
Do you want? I'm showing you want to
Who that?
you want back from house? Francis said, I got CJ.
Don't trust him, he ain't coming.
Yeah, what you want me to get, CJ?
I want to get to go box.
Okay.
You probably want some of everything.
This one said he don't want nothing but rice and gravy.
Don't cook this lasagna. It's good. It's good.
You gotta make your plate look so fruitful.
I like that. Why ain't getting no break on my potato?
All right, y'all. I want y'all to see how they clean house. That right there was the gravy for the dressing. Only 2 pieces left of the dressing. The whole dressing gone. That was a nice pan of rice. They dug into the rice. As you can see, there ain't nothing left on them turkey wings. I'm happy to see that. And I had some legs and thighs in here, the stewed baked chicken. And man, only 4 pieces of that left. I'm telling y'all, look at here, y'all. I had some buttered stewed rice that was left. That's gone. Nothing left. And for those corns and butter beans that I had left, man, Lord have mercy. They dug into that. And this what happened to the cabbage and smoked sausage, gone. That pan of lasagna, man, they dug into it. And this something I forgot to put on here with some greens that my mother-in-law cooked up. They dug into that. I'm happy, y'all. I'm happy. I'm happy. So all of that cooking won't in vain. But try that turkey wing recipe. And I'm telling you right now, you'll love that turkey wing recipe, y'all. I'm serious. And it'll end up just like this if you fix it. So I'm out of here. I'm gonna take some of this gravy and put it on some rice. Maybe I'll snack on that. Peace. Thank you so much for watching this here recipe. What recipe would you like to see in the future? Comment below and let me know. Watch these videos as well because they will definitely help me out and help out this channel. Subscribe to my YouTube channel as well, okay? And also do me a favor. Love and not hate. Love somebody and hate nobody. Peace. Love you all.